Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create an account on Likee step by step. Step 1, open the app first. Launch the Likee app. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Step 2, choose a sign-up method. You'll see different options to create an account. You can sign up using Facebook, phone number, Google account, Apple account. For this tutorial, I'll use Google to sign up. Step 3, sign in with Google. Select your Google account and continue. Your account will be created instantly. It's quick and straightforward. Step 4, set up your profile. Choose a nickname and tap. Confirm, select your gender, male or female. Enter additional details like your display name. Tap Next to proceed. Step 5, finalizing your account. Enter your Likee ID, tap Confirm to complete the setup. That's it. Your Likee account is now created. Enjoy exploring and creating content. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.